Pellegrini made a fortune during the financial crisis betting against the housing market. So how is he playing today's market turmoil? He's keeping most of his money in cash and specifically in the U.S. dollar, of all things. Jon Erlichman spoke exclusively with Pellegrini and has more on where he's investing. John?
Betty, this is the man who's been described as the architect behind John Paulson's massive bet against the housing market. A move that made $15 billion, $3 billion for Paulson and Company itself. He's trading his own book right now, just managing his own money. I caught up with him on the phone. He's vacationing on his sailboat off the coast of Greece, and he says this debt downgrade just means more fiscal handcuffs for the United States, less ability to spend money, and he thinks that will be good for the U.S. dollar. Have a listen to what he had to say.
Knowing that, the administration in the U.S. doesn't have, complete discretion in terms of printing dollars is, a good reason to, use dollars as a safe haven.
And Betty, you mentioned he's largely in cash. 60% of his portfolio is in U.S. dollars right now. Not making big bets on stocks or bonds or gold, any of those. It's cash right now.
So if he's a dollar bull, are there currencies that he's then on the other side of, that he's bearish on?
Yeah, so what he says is he thinks that over the next 6 months, the dollar will appreciate versus the euro, although he doesn't say how much it'll appreciate. He is more bearish, though, on the commodity currencies, the Australian dollar, the Brazilian real. His view is that there's a real risk of another recession for the U.S. and possibly around the globe. That will take steam out of commodities and the commodity currencies, according to Pellegrini.